Hi everybody, Kevin Falvey, Editor-in-Chief of Boating Magazine. I'm here today with Kevin Scopinich of Good Ground Marine, East Quogue, New York. Hey Kevin.
Hey Kevin, how are you?
Kevin and his father Fred Scopinich of Hampton Marine Center are embarking upon a restoration of a Columbia II Sea Skiff. This boat was built originally by Kevin's grandfather and his father Fred. Now Kevin's embarking on this restoration in concert with Pettit Marine Paints. Kevin, tell us about this boat.
This boat was originally built by my grandfather, my father, and their crew back in 1987. It's a 24-foot Columbia II Sea Skiff, and I'm going to bring it back to life.
How long do you think the project will take?
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
And what are some of the jobs you have to do?
Well, as you see now, the deck is fully cut out, the tanks are out, the motor's going to come out, we're going to make sure it runs, and we're just going to start piecing it back together.
And then will you have any cosmetic repairs? Will you fully recoat the hull?
It's going to get a new paint job, it's going to get new varnish, it's going to get new decks, fiberglass, fully restored.
Kevin, we're looking forward to following your project and sharing it with our fans and followers on the web and on social media. Thanks for taking us along for the ride.
Of course, Kevin, thank you.
Until next time, I'm Kevin Falvey.